A rear-end collision caused by a car going too fast. The idiot in the car suddenly changed lanes and caused a collision with the car in front. He will be held responsible for his mistake.
It was about 50 meters.
The car caused an accident with the truck in front while fleeing from the police. In the end, he could not escape.
The psychopath proclaimed himself the new prophet of...
A truck going too fast and running a red light collided head-on with a car at an intersection in Los Angeles late at night. A stolen ambulance crashed into the back of a pickup truck. He was arrested and turned over to the police immediately after the incident. The Honda ran a red light and collided with the opposite car, causing both cars to be damaged and pieces of the front of the car to fly out.
God damn!
What happened to these cars? According to the driver, he was talking on the phone at the time and did not focus on the front, so he hit the back of a car that was stopped on the side of the road. The Accent driver rushed through a red light and had an accident. After the collision, both cars stopped and resolved the problem. Both cars did not slow down when they reached the intersection and collided with each other, much to the surprise of the surrounding vehicles. Which car do you think was at fault in this case? The Toyota came at the speed of a Predator and drove straight into the back of the Tesla, causing the front of the car to be completely damaged.
Oh my God!
The sudden appearance of the car at the intersection without traffic lights made the driver unable to avoid it in time. A car lost control coming from behind and caused a series of collisions on the freeway in San Francisco. The collision happened unexpectedly between two cars because the car changed lanes unexpectedly. The Cadillac driver drove away after the incident. This car was rear-ended by the idiot in the car behind it in a very unexpected way. Hope everything is okay.
Detected. Will call emergency.
According to the information we received, the van driver fell asleep at the wheel, causing the vehicle to crash into the median. The Jeep was driven by an idiot who ran a red light and caused a collision with a car on the road. He will receive a suitable punishment for his actions. This car accelerated to catch the red light but suddenly collided with a Toyota changing lane. The collision caused the airbags in the car to deploy and everyone was fine. A series of rear-end collisions due to the truck stopping suddenly. All three cars were dented and partially damaged. The idiot in the opposite car did not look before crossing the road, causing a collision.
Are not the guy.
Heavy rain and slippery roads caused the cars to skid and collide. Regular tire inspection is important to avoid trouble on the road. What happened to this car? Everything happened so fast. Rear-end collision of cars stopped at a red light. The cause of the accident is still being clarified. The white car was like an arrow running straight at an incredible speed and collided with another car. Two cars, an Elantra and a Corolla, collided at a complicated intersection. It seems that the red car intentionally ran the red light.
Suffer itself from erroneous coronavirus restrictions could lead to a significant risk of lockdown within 3 weeks. A lot of the populous eastern states which remained beset by the division over the reopening of schools, for example, let alone restaurants and pubs.
The idiot in the taxi crossed the lane and stopped suddenly in the middle of the road, causing a collision with the car behind.
Yeah, where are you going, half-hat? Oh, beauty!
Manual recording on.
According to the driver, his wheel had a problem that caused the car to break down. Therefore, everyone should have their car serviced regularly to minimize problems. The car was smoking and skidding on the road and collided with a car that was stopped on the sidewalk. After causing trouble, the idiot in the car drove away. The Toyota was hit from behind by a truck while it was stopped at a red light. The truck driver will probably have to pay for this incident. The Ford driver lost focus and collided with the rear of the car in front. It is very important to stay focused while driving. Do you know what is happening here? Collided with the rear of a pickup truck in front because of a sudden stop on the road for no apparent reason. The car skidded because it was going too fast on the curve, but everything was fine. It is very important to check your tires regularly. The pickup truck had an accident with 2 heavy trucks because it changed lanes without looking. The collision between 2 large trucks affected the traffic on the road. The car had an accident at the exit because it lost control on the slippery road. It is better to keep a safe speed when it is raining to avoid an accident. Which car do you think is at fault in this situation?